Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about Amazon.com Inc. So this is the long-term trend that we are going to discuss about. Obviously, if you are an early investor in this particular stock, let's say in 1997, since then it has already given you 2,08,073 percentage of return over a period of time. So it's a phenomenal return that this stock has created, or the wealth that has generated by the investors in this particular company. And if you just look at the trend, this is completely, I mean, this kind of stock are like once in a couple of years you will find. So obviously there is an age of industrial revolution. Now it's an age of technology revolution. So now, right now we are going to discuss about the long term trend. And let's see, because the way the chart is moving, obviously there, when you look at the business, so that's a different aspect. But when you look at the price trend, obviously there will be some corrections, there will be some period where the stock will performing on the upside. So there will be all the periods. So let me just draw the important support and resistance line, then we will discuss about the trend further. And if you just check this out, so this may look pretty small, but this is a monthly chart. So each and every candle represent a particular month. I hope those who are familiar with charts and trends, they will know about these kind of things. These are very basic concepts. So this is what you can find here in this chart. And let me tell you that though it looks like the chart is overstretched, there is always a room left for the stock to uprise where the demands are. So obviously we know the kind of demand or the kind of money that these kind of stocks are pushing towards it. So I think this is probably it, or let me just draw one or two more lines which will be important for this stock as considering the support and resistance level. So this will be it. So this is pretty much it from the support and the resistance side. And if you just look at the trend, let me just zoom a bit so that you will get the trends in a clear manner. On the support and resistance you can see. Okay, so as I have said, these are long term trades. So consider the support and resistance in the same manner, because it will take a couple of weeks to couple of months to form this kind of trend. So the current support you will get at around 2708 to be precise. And if the trend has broken on the downside, it will go towards 2022. And on the upside, where there is a current resistance of around 3348, where the price went and then corrected from there. So it has been inside this range 2708 to 3348. And on the upside, it will move, or it will go towards 4700 odd dollars per share. So there is still room left. So right now it is trending in between this range. So if it falls below that, so the next support will come at around 2000 odd bucks. And on the upside, the trend will lead towards $4700. Let me tell you one more thing. that when we talk about this 4,700 odd dollars, so if you just make a trend line or a channel, so this is the top end of the channel. Okay, so if it reaches near or towards or at 4,700 bucks, probably it is hitting or it will reach the big resistance level. So from there you will probably see a big correction as well. Okay, if not correction, then probably a consolidation. Because when we are talking about price, let's not mix it up with the business. Day to day business is different, but I'm talking about price, valuation, and trend. So, to be precise, price and trend. So, technically, it will the 4,700 odd level will be the resistance level in the long term trend, and it will probably go there and correct a bit or consolidate a bit. Then we will look the trend further. So this is the thing what you need to keep in your mind. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. If you indeed liked it, do like and share this video, share your thoughts on the comment section, and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.